What's up everyone, Jeff and Migs here with Polar Pro, and today we are gonna take these kayaks and explore these remote Alaskan islands, maybe even record the very first Mavic 2 kayak launch.
And we're here to show you guys our favorite features of our new Vivid Collection filters for the Mavic 2.
Welcome to Alaska. This is the first of our islands and we're stoked to be up here and shoot some unreal scenery with our fleet of Mavic 2s. And we've got the new Vivid Collection to capture the cinematics.
The Vivid Collection includes an ND4PL, ND8PL, and an ND16PL, which reduces glare, increases contrast, while also reducing shutter speed.
The Vivid Collection's ND-PL filters will actually increase saturation and contrast, which is gonna make your content kind of pop. And that's the look that Migs and I are going for on this video. We've got the ND8PL on right now, so let's send this bird up and shoot this island. Wow, it's just epic up here in Alaska. The scenery is amazing. Let's go pack up the kayaks and see if we can hit another island.
One of my new favorite features is a polarization marker on the frame. This marks the linear polarization axis, which is a broad polarization setting like how sunglasses are set. So if you're in a difficult situation like we are right now in the kayaks, just put the marker on the top of the frame and it'll give you a generic setting.
And if you have time or are not in a difficult situation like floating on the water, then it's always best practices to set your polarization for each specific scene. Well, all right, let's head to that next island. The Vivid Collection is built with our Cinema Series glass, which has a very low refractive index, which is going to fully resolve that Hasselblad sensor. It also has perfect target transmission, which means an ND8 is actually going to be an ND8. And the color neutrality is very flat and neutral, so that makes grading in post a lot easier.
All right, so that spot looks pretty cool to shoot over there. Lighting's changing a little bit. So we're gonna put an ND8PL and let's get this bird in the air.
Man, so what an awesome place this has been. Alaska's pretty crazy. It's just dead quiet out here. We've seen a couple of bald eagles up in these trees, but we didn't want to really harass them with the drone, so we didn't. And the sun's kind of just sliding right down into the golden hour position, and this is when I like to use the ND4PL filter. I got the stock UV on here. And one thing to note, we include one of these filter removing tools, which just lets you help the get a little extra grip on the stock UV for the first time, because it can be a little bit challenging to remove. So you just use it, grab it off, and then throw the ND-PL on.
This year, we also started offering an aircraft guarantee. We put a lot into research and development of our filters, and we stand behind it with this.
If our filters cause any damage to your gimbal or camera, we will replace it for free. Wow, this was a shoot of a lifetime for me. It was awesome being in just these secluded islands with no one else around. And you know, it's trips like these that really reinforce why we put so much into the glass development. There's so many constantly changing variables out here. We want to make sure that our glass is not one of those changing variables. Our glass is consistently sharp, color neutral, and transmission spec'd perfectly, so whether it's our shoot or your trip of a lifetime, our filters will perform.
So that's it for this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you guys can keep up with our adventures. We're going on a bush plane tomorrow through bear territory, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Phew!